If equipped, LaneSense uses a forward-looking camera to monitor lane markings and your position within the lane boundaries. To activate the system, push the LaneSense button on the switch panel below the Uconnect display. If equipped with a 12-inch radio screen, you'll find the button above the Uconnect display. A LaneSense On message will appear in the instrument cluster display. If both lane markings are detected and you unintentionally drift out of the lane with no turn signal, or if you depart your lane in a direction opposite what you signaled, LaneSense provides a steering wheel torque warning to remind you of the lane boundaries. For example, if you apply the left turn signal but try to depart the lane to your right. In these situations, LaneSense will also provide a visual warning in your instrument cluster display. You can override the torque warning by applying your own torque to the steering wheel at any time. When only one lane marking is detected and you drift across that lane boundary, LaneSense provides a visual warning only. To deactivate the system, push the LaneSense button again. LaneSense retains the last system state, on or off, between ignition cycles. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.